Good morning, boys and girls. This is Miss Turner, and I am out front of our building by our ramp down to the field. And I noticed this storm drain here. It says, "Don't dump Chesapeake Bay drainage." I wonder where that water is directly going. You can see that Miss Turner is starting to walk down the ramp that goes from the parking lot down to the field. And if you remember, this is the area we said we wanted to really focus on because water is definitely going to flow down this ramp. As I'm walking down, I notice we've got some debris, like there's some trash there, there's some rocks. I wonder as water flows down this ramp, what's going to happen to all this debris that I see on the sides of the ramp. I'm coming down, and again I'm noticing we've got these downspouts coming out of the wall, thinking about how water up top is going to be flowing down and again coming out of these downspouts as it goes down this ramp. As I make my way to the bottom here, I see we've got a final downspout, and Miss Turner really wants to think about what's happening to water in this area. Again, I see a whole pile of dirt, seeing where it's collected. So what I'm going to do right now, Miss Turner brought a huge jug of water, and I'm going to start to pour this water. And I want you to just observe, what do you see is happening? How is water flowing? Where is it going? Where do you notice that it all is ending up? So let's take a look together, friends. As I start to pour, let's notice, where do we notice it's immediately starting to flow? Where do we see it's starting to go? What direction we notice it's starting to flow across? I see it starting to flow down. It's starting to form. Again, I look and notice where all that water is flowing, eventually where all that water is ending up. And I'm wondering why all that water is all going in that one direction as I see it flow off the edge and down into the grass. Thinking about what I'm standing on right now, thinking about how I notice, look at that water as it's flowing on down, all making its way into the grass there. Thinking about, I'm on a ramp. It has that decline. Look at how all that water flows and makes its way into the grass there. Look at it, still flowing. Oh, there's some debris going.